yo, you want to see something cool? No. Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Step into the scene. No, nobody can do it like me. Zoop house plate with the kick cuisine. I was the blacktop king. 360s in my green machine. I was a kid and I was breaking down doors. Listen to the tribe, now we on a world tour. We gave them hell and now we gonna give them more.
After a few passes, we got them all fixed up. All right, so now we're gonna test to see if they're all even. So we have static flow right now. We're gonna wait and see. Perfect. Guys, so get your injectors cleaned, especially their direct injection. Okay, because once they're too far gone, then we cannot fix those.